Yeehaw! Another segment from Pappy's Corner coming up.
Yeah!
Welcome to Pappy's Corner. Today I wanted to show you a Bluetooth LED shop light. And here's the box. We've already got it hung. And it's over in Pappy Son's Corner. And here's the box that it came in. And it cost about $60. I picked it up at Home Depot. The speakers are fairly decent. They don't have that boom, boom, boom sound that my son has in his car, but for playing nice soft background music, it works really great. So let's go check it out over in Pappy Son's Corner. Okay, there it is. See the speaker there? And it's pretty bright. Another speaker right there. And a pull cord. I'm backing up here. And there it is. Chained up to the ceiling. Plugged in right here. Very simple install. No worries. Kick in the Bluetooth. Go ahead and play it. Stereo. I want you to Bluetooth speakers and the lights. So there you have it. Nice little LED shop light for Pappy Son's Corner. Works pretty good. And it's got a care and use guide also that comes with it. Give you some tips on how to install. I've taken pictures all over the box, and I'll go ahead and show you the pictures that are on the box that give you all kinds of information about the warranty and all the lighting tips and tricks and various information about the unit, if you're interested.
Any person in a little bitty town, if you're that different person in your group of friends, you know, stick out like a sore thumb or a big booty, you'll like this one.
So remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.